you guys, second video from me for today. I'm going to talk to you about the different types of angles. In the last video, I talked about the different turns in a circle, so you know that there's 360 degrees in a circle. Now, different angles can be classified by different names, and we're going to talk about these. I know in third grade you talked about these too, and so just a quick review. Now, the first one I'm going to talk about, I'm actually going to scoot right towards the middle and talk about the right angle. A right angle is a quarter of a turn or 90 degrees. When you have this, it means that both of these end up being perpendicular to each other. And if you remember what that meant, it means that these are exactly lined up, one that's vertical, one that's horizontal, and it forms right here. So this distance or this angle here is 90 degrees. And here's a hint, is this is almost always classified as, you'll see a little square here that says it's 90 degrees. So if you're not sure and you see that square, you know that it's 90 degrees. Other angles are usually shown where it's this curved line to measure the angle, but right angles are usually shown by having that little square right there and saying that it's 90 degrees. Now, if an angle is less than 90 degrees, it is called an acute angle. And how I remember it is I always say, oh, it's just an cute little angle. A cute little angle, which means it's less than 90 degrees. So that means that the distance between these two rays or these two rays is less than 90 degrees. I can kind of see that it's less than 90 degrees because if I know this is 90, this distance between these two, I can kind of look at that and say I know that it's less. Then on the other side here, I have what's called an obtuse angle. That means that it is an angle that's over 90 degrees, and that's how I remember it. Obtuse over 90 degrees. So if you look at this distance between the two rays is going to be more than the distance that you see here with the right angle. Same thing here. This distance between these two angles in this direction is going to be more than 90 degrees. Now, if you also notice, I ended up doing these rays in different directions because no matter how it is turned, it's still looking for and showing you what is that measurement, and it's going to tell you what is that measurement between those two rays that you're trying to figure out here. What is the measurement here? What is the measurement here? Even over here, it's showing you what is the measurement between these two rays. What is the measurement between these two rays? So also part of your work today is going to be classifying angles and looking at them and saying, is that a right angle? Look for that square. Is it an acute angle, which means less than 90 degrees, or is it an obtuse angle, which means it is more than 90 degrees? So good luck, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.